Ready to transform your photos into electrifying pop art masterpieces? Let's dive into Photoshop Elements. First, open your chosen image in Photoshop Elements. We're starting with this photo, planning to give it a bold pop art makeover. Now, head to the Enhance tab and select Color Adjustments. We'll be playing with Hue Saturation. This is where you take control of your colors. Start by moving the Hue Slider to experiment with different color palettes. See how the colors in the image shift dramatically. Play around with the sliders to find a look you love. For a classic pop art effect, consider vibrant, unnatural hues. Next up, adjust the saturation. Increase it to make the colors pop with intensity, creating a more vibrant and attention-grabbing look. Again, adjust as you go, looking for a look you like. Finally, experiment with the Lightness slider to fine-tune the brightness and contrast of each color. Small adjustments here can make a big impact. Now, onto stylization. Go to the Filters menu. Here's where you can add extra flair. Explore the Stylize Filters. Use a filter like poster edges or cutout to create stylized outlines, giving it a really strong, graphic look. Experiment to see what best suits your photo. And there you have it, a stunning pop art image, created right in Photoshop Elements. With these simple steps, you can transform any photo into a vivid, eye-catching artwork. Be sure to save your final masterpiece and share it. Thanks for watching.